Now we jump into constitutional law for chapter 4. So a little bit different. Obviously, the Constitution delegates powers through the federal government and the state governments. There's enumerated powers or powers that are expressly given to the federal governments by the states. Power not delegated to the federal government are reserved for the policing power of the states. I always find it interesting or a little bit more informative to watch this cute little Schoolhouse Rock video. So I'm going to include it here, and it's just a little bit more entertaining than listening to me talk.
Hey, do you know about the USA? Do you know about the government? Can you tell me about the Constitution? Hey, learn about the USA. In 1787, told our founding fathers did agree to write a list of principles for keeping people free. The USA was just starting out a whole brand new country, and so our people spelled it out, the things that we should be. And they put those principles down on paper and called it the Constitution. And it's been helping us run our country ever since then. The first part of the Constitution is called the Preamble and tells what those founding fathers set out to do. We the people, in order to form a more perfect union, establish justice, ensure domestic tranquility, provide for the common defense, promote the general welfare, and secure the blessings of liberty to ourselves and our posterity.